If you've been thinking about starting an online store, selling products online, or launching a side hustle, this Shopify free trial offer is one of the easiest ways to get started without spending a lot up front. Right now, Shopify is offering a free trial where you can start for free and then pay just $1 per month for the first 3 months on select plans. That means you can build your entire online store, test products, customize your website, and even start making sales before paying regular pricing. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to activate the Shopify free trial offer, how the $1 per month deal works, what's included with Shopify, how to create your Shopify store step by step, and important things you should know before signing up. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go down to the description below and click the Shopify free trial link. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the same Shopify free trial offer and pricing. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Shopify free trial page. Here, you'll see the option to start your free trial. Go ahead and enter the email address you want to use and click the arrow icon. Next, create a password and click Create Account. After that, you'll have the option to enter your payment details, or you can skip this step completely for now. Shopify will then ask you a few questions about your business. For example, what do you plan to sell? Is this a new or existing business? Where do you want to sell? You can answer these however you'd like, or in many cases, skip through them. Once you finish that setup, Shopify will begin creating your online store automatically, and within a few moments, you'll be taken directly into your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage your entire e-commerce business. Over on the left side, you'll see sections like orders, products, customers, content, discounts, marketing, analytics, and settings. This is basically the control center for your online store. One of the first things you'll probably want to do is add products. To do that, click Products on the left side menu. Then click Add Products. Here, you can add product titles, upload product images, set pricing, write descriptions, track inventory and shipping details, and organize products into collections. Whether you're selling physical products, digital products, print-on-demand products, or dropshipping items, this is where you'll manage everything. Next, you'll probably want to customize the design of your website. To do that, click Online Store, scroll down and click Visit Store Theme. Shopify includes free themes that already look very professional right out of the box. You can preview themes, customize them, and choose the design that fits your brand best. To customize your theme, click Edit Theme. From here, you can edit your homepage, colors, fonts, images, buttons, announcement bars, product pages, and much more. One thing people really like about Shopify is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to know coding or web design to build a professional-looking e-commerce store. Another nice feature is that Shopify also includes built-in mobile optimization, so your website is designed to work well on phones, tablets, and desktops automatically. Now let's talk about the Shopify free trial pricing. With this offer, you can start for free, and after the free trial period ends, you can continue for just $1 per month for your first 3 months on eligible plans. This gives you a very low-cost way to test your business idea before committing to regular pricing. And for many people, those first few months are the most important because it gives you time to add products, build your website, run marketing, test ads, and potentially start generating sales. Now, one thing I do recommend is exploring the Shopify settings area before launching your store. If you click Settings in the bottom left corner, you can configure things like payments, shipping, taxes, domains, checkout settings, store policies, notifications, and user accounts. You can also connect a custom domain name so your store looks more professional. For example, yourstore.com. Instead of using the default Shopify domain, another feature worth mentioning is Shopify Apps. If you click Apps on the left side, you can install additional tools and features for your store. These are apps for email marketing, reviews, upsells, SEO, print on demand, dropshipping, loyalty programs, and much more. This allows you to expand your store as your business grows. Now, once your website is ready and your products are added, you can launch your store publicly. At that point, customers can begin visiting your website and placing orders. Overall, Shopify is one of the most beginner-friendly e-commerce platforms available, especially for people starting their first online store. And the free trial plus the $1 per month for 3 months offer makes it much easier to get started without spending a lot up front. If you want to get the Shopify free trial offer, check out the link in the description below. And if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce and website tutorials.